Friends, just think for a moment. If you had such a system where your money does not just rotate, but actually gets converted into real things. Imagine a platform where digital currency is not limited only to the screen, but becomes a part of your daily life. No blind risk, only a clear, transparent, and legally structured model where earning is not just something spoken about, but is visibly generated through the system. So friends, welcome you all to the official plan presentation of Anandmi Life Care with ALC Coin. This is not just a business, but a future-ready digital and real shopping ecosystem, where opportunity, transparency, and growth, all three come together. Friends, Anandmai Life Care is an innovative platform that creates a community-based income system along with investment. Here, it is not just about investing money, but about building a strong network with a vision of long-term financial growth. Their vision is to adopt blockchain technology to create an efficient, effective, and trusted system for government, businesses, and individuals. And their mission is to promote blockchain and digital currency, and to create a strong digital future globally by working together with associations, non-profits, companies, and individuals. Friends, through ALC Coin, you can shop for real products from Anandmai Life, Care Store Mart, or authorized stores. That means the digital coin is used for real-life needs. Friends, ALC Coin is India's first digital coin that is registered on the Binance Smart Chain and is specially designed for daily shopping and real product purchasing. Here, friends, there is not a single rupee of loss, not a single dollar of risk. This is a 100% profitable and transparent model where you get the benefits of both digital currency and real shopping. This is a motivated and visionary team that is working in the direction of building the country's largest INR wallet-based community, where along with products, dreams are also purchased. Friends, according to its policy, the company will keep launching bonanza offers and promotional schemes from time to time, through which active members will continue to receive extra benefits and rewards. You can see the company's roadmap, which is given from 2026 all the way till 2029. In this, you will get to see their own DEX, NFT, utility portal, gaming, own wallet, own blockchain, metaverse. All of these will be available. Friends, now let's talk about the tokenomics of ALC Coin, meaning how the complete supply system of the coin works. This coin is based on the Binance Smart Chain, which provides fast and low-cost transactions. The total token supply of this project is 300 million coins. Out of these, 100 million coins are pre-mined, and the remaining coins are released every month in limited quantity. The complete token release plan is based on a long-term roadmap of 10 to 15 years so that the value of the coin remains stable. In the future, you will be able to easily swap your coins 24/7 on PancakeSwap. Friends, here a 100% distribution model is followed, where the entire income system is automatically divided. In this, 60% is working income, 25% goes for the global sharing bonus, 10% is distributed in the coin, and 5% is given in the form of rewards. The name of this coin is ALC Coin. Its symbol is ILC, and the total supply is 300 million coins. This entire system is based on blockchain technology, specifically on the BEP20 standard of the Binance blockchain. The biggest thing is that this 100% distribution is completed automatically in a fraction of seconds with the support of a decentralized system without any manual control. In the supported wallet, you can use Trust Wallet and MetaMask. By using this, you can link your ID and start earning income. Here you will see two packages. One is of 1,000 rupees and the other is of 2,000 rupees. Here, 90 rupees equals $1. Friends, here, 3 types of plans are available for joining. The first one is the binary plan, in which the joining amount is 1,000 rupees or $11. In this package, you get a Rudraksh Mala jewelry set, and 100 rupees worth of ALC coin is credited to the wallet. The second is the Auto Pool plan. Its package is also of 1000 rupees or $11. In this also, the same Rudraksh Mala jewelry set is given, and 100 rupees worth of ALC coin comes into your wallet. The third is the combo plan, whose package is 2000 rupees or $22. In this plan, you get a Rudraksh Mala super jewelry set, and 200 rupees worth of ALC coin is credited to the wallet. Here, the conversion rate is kept fixed. 90 rupees equals $1. And after activation, 10% of the amount is credited to the ALC coin wallet, with which you can purchase ALC coins. Friends, when we talk about the types of income, here you get a total of 7 types of excellent income, which include sponsor bonus, matching bonus, sponsor matching bonus, global sharing bonus, ALC coin, lifetime reward, auto pool bonus. First of all, let's talk about the sponsor bonus you receive. You get a full 10% from each and every direct sponsor. You can do as many direct sponsors as you want and earn unlimited income. Friends, now let's talk about the matching bonus system. Here the company provides a 10% matching bonus. As soon as a 1:1 pairing is completed on your left and right side, the system immediately credits you with a 10% bonus on that matching pair. This entire structure is based on powerline carry forward, so whether your team is ahead or behind, matching never gets wasted and continues to be calculated up to unlimited depth. There is only one simple rule, friends, that every 5th matching pair gets lapsed. On all the remaining matching pairs, your income continues regularly and continuously. Talking about the sponsor matching bonus, you receive a full 10% on the matching of your team. From here also, you can earn income up to unlimited depth. Friends, now let's talk about the global sharing bonus. Here a 25% global sharing model is followed, in which 25% of every global joining is automatically calculated through the system and equally distributed among all eligible members. This entire process works on a blockchain-based system, which keeps the distribution transparent, fast, and fair, and every member continues to receive the direct benefit of global growth. Now friends, let's talk about the tours and trips you receive, meaning the Bonanza offer. When your matching business reaches $75,000, you get a Goa trip for 5 days, and this is for 2 people. When your matching business reaches $150,000, you get a Thailand trip for 9 days, and this is for 2 people. When your matching business reaches $300,000, you get a Dubai trip for 12 days, and this is for 2 people. Now let's talk about the lifetime reward you receive. If you complete a matching business of $500 and have 1 left and 1 direct, you receive a BEG as a reward. If you complete a matching business of $2,000 and have 1 left and 1 direct, you receive 2 combo pins as a reward. If you complete a matching business of $5,000 and have 1 left and 1 direct, you receive 5 combo VIP pins as a reward. If you complete a matching business of $20,000 and have 1 left and 1 direct, you receive 20 combo power VIP pins as a reward. If you complete a matching business of $50,000 and have 1 left and 1 direct, you receive an iPhone or laptop as a reward. In this way, you can see the details of all the remaining rewards on your screen. Friends, now let's understand Autopool ALC Super 1. This is an automatic income system where a total cycle of 30 members is completed. As the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system automatically generates bonuses, which are 300 rupees, 600 rupees, 600 rupees, and 1,200 rupees, making a total bonus of 2,700 rupees in the complete cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 2,430 rupees, is given to US cash income, and 10%, meaning 270 rupees, is credited to your wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, one ID re-entry is also provided, through which your earning keeps repeating automatically. Friends, Autopool ALC Super 2 is also an automatic cycle-based system where again a structure of 30 members is completed. As the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system automatically generates bonuses of 600 rupees, 1,200 rupees, 1,200 rupees, and 2,400 rupees, making a total bonus of 5,400 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 4,860 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 540 rupees, is credited to your wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, you also get 2 ID re-entries, due to which your autopool income process keeps repeating. Friends, in autopool ALC Super 3, a complete cycle of 30 members is formed. As the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system automatically generates bonuses of 1,200 rupees, 2,400 rupees, 2,400 rupees, and 4,800 rupees. In this complete cycle, a total bonus of 10,800 rupees is generated, out of which 90%, meaning 9,720 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 1,080 rupees, is credited in the form of ALC coin. At this level, you get 4 ID re-entries, which makes your autopool income faster. Friends, autopool ALC Silver 4 is the next powerful level where again a structure of 30 members is completed. When the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 2,400 rupees, 4,800 rupees, 4,800 rupees, and 9,600 rupees, creating a total bonus of 21,600 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 19,440 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 2,160 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, you get the benefit of 6 ID re-entries, which makes your earning even stronger. Friends, Autopool ALC Silver 5 is another advanced autopool level where a complete cycle of 30 members is formed. As the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 4,800 rupees, 9,600 rupees, 9,600 rupees, and 19,200 rupees, creating a total bonus of 43,200 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 38,880 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 4,320 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, along with a 2,000 rupees new ID fund, you get 10 ID re-entries, which makes your autopool earning even more powerful. Friends, in autopool ALC Silver 6, you enter the next strong stage. Here also, a structure of 30 members is completed. When the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 9,600 rupees, 19,200 rupees, 19,200 rupees, and 38,400 rupees, creating a total bonus of 86,400 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 77,760 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 8,640 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, along with a 4,000 rupees new ID fund, you get the benefit of 25 ID re-entries. And from here, the entry into the ALC Gold level starts, through which earning expands further. Friends, in Autopool ALC Gold 7, you enter a high-value autopool level where a complete cycle of 30 members is formed. As the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 19,200 rupees, 38,400 rupees, 38,400 rupees, and 76,800 rupees, creating a total bonus of 1,72,800 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 1,55,520 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 17,280 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, along with an 8,000 rupees new ID fund, you get the benefit of 25 ID re-entries, and from here, automatic entry into the ALC Gold 8 level happens. Friends, Autopool ALC Gold 8 is an even more powerful level where again a structure of 30 members is completed. When the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 38,400 rupees, 76,800 rupees, 76,800 rupees, and 1,53,600 rupees, creating a total bonus of 3,45,600 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 3,11,040 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 34,560 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, along with a 16,000 rupees new ID fund, you get 25 ID re-entries, and from here, entry into the ALC Diamond 9 level starts, which takes earning to the next premium stage. Friends, Autopool ALC Diamond 9 is a high premium autopool level where again a complete cycle of 30 members is formed. As the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 76,800 rupees, 1,53,600 rupees, 1,53,600 rupees, and 3,07,200 rupees, creating a total bonus of 6,91,200 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 6,22,080 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 69,120 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, along with a 32,000 rupees new ID fund, you get 25 ID re-entries, and from here, automatic entry into Autopool ALC Diamond 10 happens. Friends, Autopool ALC Diamond 10 is the final and highest level of this autopool system. Here also, when a structure of 30 members is completed and the team fills with 2, 4, 8, and 16 members, the system generates bonuses of 1,53,600 rupees, 3,07,200 rupees, 3,07,200 rupees, and 10 lakh rupees, creating a total bonus of 17,68,000 rupees in the full cycle. Out of this, 90%, meaning 15,91,200 rupees, is given to you as cash income, and 10%, meaning 1,76,800 rupees, is credited to the wallet in the form of ALC coin. At this level, there is no re-entry. Here you get 50,000 rupees for the new ID fund, and this is where the autopool journey is completed. Friends, now let's talk about the terms and conditions. Joining is available in both INR and USDT. After activation, 10% of the package amount is credited to the ALC coin wallet. The minimum withdrawal is 450 rupees or $5. A 5% TDS and 5% admin charge is deducted on total income. From Autopool income, 10% ALC coin is deducted. 90% of net income is credited to the Autopool wallet. A 10% liquidity charge is applied on total income. Buying and selling ALC coin is allowed only through the crypto wallet. Friends, today you have seen a system that is not just based on promises, but on blockchain technology, real products, and a transparent distribution model where multiple income sources like sponsor income, matching bonus, global sharing, and auto pool are automatically generated through the system. The biggest strength of this plan is its long-term vision, where digital currency and real-life utility work together. Opportunity is available for everyone, but the benefit is taken by those who make the right decision at the right time. If you also want to take your income to the next level and be part of a secure, scalable system, starting now is the best choice. For details, contact the person who sent you this video immediately, because today's decision can change your tomorrow. For now, this is all in this video. Thank you.